attraction, the puppy dog love that you had at the beginning, right? You know, the emotion fades. Again, that's why I say, that's why it doesn't matter what you do. It doesn't matter what, whether you're involved in a multi-level marketing deal, whether you're in a church, whether you're in, a sales program of some kind. The one thing that they all want to do is get you to a meeting once a week. That's the goal. They all want to get you to a meeting once a week. Why? Because they know the emotion, the excitement that begins to fade if it's not constantly reinforced. You need to be around people who are motivating you, who are pushing you, because there are millions, there are going to be no shortage of people in your life that are looking to drag you down. Right? I had this really great job working overseas. I told this story about how dangerous it was and about, all the nightmares of it. But after the war started to die down, it actually became kind of a cushy gig where you just went out. There was very almost a permissive environment, and you're making pretty good money just sitting around your room all day. And I was trading at the time, and I said, I'm leaving. I'm going home. I'm going to quit my job. I'm quitting this contracting business. I'm going to go home and trade full time. And people tell me I'm nuts. How can you do that? Oh, you're never going to be successful at that. Oh, yeah, no, I did that once. Yeah, don't waste your time. You guys sound familiar? Oh, no, I've tried that trading thing. Bunch of scams. Yeah, it's a sucker's play. It's gambling. You know what, dude? I already went down that road. You don't need to try that because I'm already a failure. Because I'm a failure, you shouldn't try. Because I decided that I was going to be a quitter, that I wasn't going to fully commit, that I wasn't going to take massive action. You know what? You should just not even try. And then what happens when you start to do well? Well, now a whole different list of different issues come up. Oh, look at this guy. Are you too good for us now? Making all that big money? Oh, look at Tommy. Got a couple bucks in his pocket, bought himself a nice new car. Are you too good for our neighborhood now? Oh, you're going to move somewhere else? Big house on the hill, right? All right, yeah, that's fine, man. Go on. Right? You know what? Those people are losers. They're always going to be losers. They're going to be stuck, as I said, in some level of mediocrity between total failure and their true potential. There will be no shortage in this world of people who are willing to tell you what isn't possible. There are going to be a rare few that will tell you it doesn't matter what your dream is. If you're willing to work for it, you got a shot. You got a shot. But you need to be surrounding yourself with winners. And if you're not surrounding yourself with winners, it's just a matter of time. If you want to learn, if you want to know how to make $1 million, who should you be surrounding yourself with? It shouldn't be your $50,000 a year neighbor. It shouldn't be your circle of friends, all who are making the same amount of money as you. If you want to know how to have a good marriage, you don't surround yourself with a bunch of people who've been divorced 3 times. You don't take marriage advice from people like that. You go and you find that couple that's 90 years old that's still holding hands as they walk into the restaurant. And you say, hey, can I have a minute of your time? Because I got to know something. Okay? If you want to know how to trade, as I said in the article, if you want to know how to trade, my advice to you is find somebody that you know knows what they're talking about, and then do exactly what they say. Now, guys, I want that to be me. I want you to be here if you fit the mold. If you're willing to accept it, and you're willing to say, I will do whatever you say. That I'm going to lay aside my own preconditions, my own opinions about the market, my own, my own ways of thinking, and I'm going to do it your way. Right? It's your choice. But if it's not me, it needs to be somebody.